Hey gamers, today we're going to be making nitrocellulose. Not nitroglycerin because that's kind of felony. So all you're going to need is some anhydrous nitric acid. And it has to be in a Jack Sabby bottle. You're going to need some sulfuric acid. And you may be like, why is it so black? Well, I tried to filter it and it reacted with the filter paper. And so that's basically about it. So let's get started. I'd say we're going to mix 15 milliliters of each respectively. It's not the complete stoichiometric ratios, but it should be fine for this reaction because I just don't want to do the math. Oh, also my clamp just broke there, but that shouldn't be too big of an issue. If you're wondering why I'm not wearing gloves, that's because anhydrous nitric acid will react with gloves, and that will be big bad, and the gloves could catch on fire. And then your favorite Cookieglue would no longer be making YouTube videos. Okay, Finn, get down here. We gotta look at the graduated cylinder. Oh.
Does not look yummy.
This is what my poo-poo looks like. And my chemistry teacher is probably watching this right now and is like, Eddie, you're gonna fucking die. Ah! I blame that on you, chemistry teacher. You distracted me. Okay, this has water on it, so I'm gonna have to get some paper towels. And this is holy water, by the way. So nah, just kidding. This is calcium hydroxide. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit of it on this paper towel here, because the calcium hydroxide isn't a strong base, so it's not gonna like hurt. It's not gonna like kill me, basically. Now I gotta wash this off before it like turns my hands into soap.
I don't know, having hands made of soap sounds pretty cool.
Lubrication.
Sound like an MHA character.
Soap hands. Finn didn't catch this on camera. I added a bit of this nitric acid in. It does need a bit more nitric acid so I can actually show you guys again, but I'm gonna hold my breath in because nitrogen dioxide. You can see that it's fuming because there's like no water present. Okay, so now we're going to add the sulfuric acid, and this is when the reaction will start. I'm going to go get a stir rod, aka a thermometer. Let's go, gamer! Let's go, gamer! Coming after you, gonna solve that mystery. It's just Scooby me.
Oh jeez.
So now we can stir this, and simultaneously we'll measure the temperature. And if you're wondering why
Innovation.
winter is the best month for chemistry stuff, free cooling. No ice bath needed. Just put it in the snow. And if you need some water to cool down the reaction, just be like, Kobe. Whoa, Finn, I just saw you take off your eye protection. Finn is the definition of a bad student in the lab. Not wearing proper protection. Okay, so now we're gonna add this dismantled test dummy frog into the beaker. We'll add it one piece at a time. Oh, that's kind of a bruh moment. Another thing that's nice about winter is that you got all of this snow to dilute any acid spills. So anyone that tries to tell me that winter is poopy, at me, okay? Usually it's ideal to use cotton balls, but we don't have cotton balls. So, oh well. Also, you can just add a nitrate salt directly to the sulfuric acid, but I have like 50 milliliters of anhydrous nitric acid, and I don't really know what to do with it. Well, it's not. I keep calling it anhydrous. It's technically fuming because it's like probably somewhere around 95%. You stopped recording, right?
No.
Stop. There's still nitrogen dioxide fumes on this. I don't like that at all. But either way, we're gonna like take out the paper and put it in this sodium bicarbonate solution. And that is nitrogen dioxide gas, boomers. Kind of looks like Coke.
What kind?
No, this isn't Coke. This is Pepsi. This is how Pepsi is made, everybody.
Oh.
If you ever wondered.
Is it stuck?
Yeah, it's stuck. Oh, that one was a nice try. So I ripped off a piece of the nitrocellulose to, let's see how well it burns. Damn, it's bright. That's pretty nice. And it leaves this nice fine powder left behind. Let's see what happens if it has more oxygen. So I want to save some of it, so I'm not using as much as before, but now it shouldn't be, the heat shouldn't be sapped up by the floor. And yeah, that burns a lot better. So in theory, this should burn fast enough that it will not burn me. And it didn't. Hey guys, that's about all I have planned for today. But I should be starting a new series soon. But I can't guarantee the videos will be coming out quickly because I'm not well known for a good upload schedule. Frankly, who is? But yeah, so stay tuned for that, and it's going to be really heavy on the science, but it's also going to be pretty epic and Dr. Stoney.